Jai Hind, dear students. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss the paper of English, BA 6th semester. The code of the paper is ENG 306, Indian and New Literature in English 2nd. The date of the examination is 23rd April 2026. In the poem If You Forget Me, how does the poet react to the prospect of his beloved forgetting him? He will forget her too. The option is right here. Question number 4. What does the phrase "My roots are tied to your land" symbolize in the poem If You Forget Me? The right answer is the deep connection and commitment the poet feels. C option is correct here. Question number 5. In the poem If You Forget Me, what does the poet say will happen to his love if his beloved leaves him? It will die. B option is correct. Question number 6. In the poem If You Forget Me, what does the poet emphasize as being most important for the survival of his love? So the right answer is option C. Question number 7. The poem Spelling explores the theme of women's identity and power. C option is right. Question number 8. In the poem Spelling, Atwood emphasizes the transformative power of words. B option is right. Question number 9. What does the poem Spelling suggest about language and women? So the correct answer is option C. Language is the tool for women's liberation. Question number 10. In the poem Spelling, Atwood portrays the role of women as, C option is correct here, symbols of strength and resilience. Question number 11. Complete the line from the poem Spelling. My daughter plays on the floor with, so dash. The right answer is plastic letters. B option is correct. Question number 12. In the poem called The Line We Sit on Concrete, who does we refer to? Prisoners. B option is correct. Question number 13. What does cold in the poem Cold symbolize? The harshness of apartheid. D option is correct here. Question number 14. The poem Cold can be described as an criticism of political injustice. D option is right here. Question number 15. In the poem Cold, the glitter of the star is constructed with the glitter of chain. D option is right here. Question number 16. What emotion does the speaker predominantly convey in the poem Cold? Anger and resentment. B option is right here. Question number 17. What does the poem Cold convey about oppression? It is painful and dehumanizing. D option is right here. Question number 18. The poem The Company of Lovers is set in the context of war. A option is right here. Question number 19. In The Company of Lovers, what is comforting to lover when she says, I live without my fear? So the correct answer is option D. The thought that death would put an end to everything. Question number 20. How has the lovers' relationship been portrayed in the poem The Company of Lovers? Passionate but short-lived. D option is correct here. Question number 21. Fill in the blanks from the poem The Company of Lovers, remembering that in the dash we shall be lovely. Narrow grave. C option. Question number 22. The poem The Company of Lovers is written in the background of the Second World War. D option is right here. Question number 23. What does the title The Company of Lovers mean? So the right answer is option C. The shared experience of love against mortality. Question number 24. In the poem The Company of Lovers, which part of the day is repeatedly referred to? Night. Option D is correct. Question number 25. What is the central theme of The Lion and the Jewel? The correct answer is option C. Conflict between traditional and modern values. Question number 26. What is the primary setting of the play The Lion and the Jewel? So the right answer of this question is option C. Question number 27. Why does Lokhne refer to pay Siddhi's bride price in the play The Lion and the Jewel? Option A is correct here. He opposes traditional customs. Question number 28. In The Lion and the Jewel, Barokha's character primarily represent. So the right answer is option B. The adaptability and resilience of tradition. Question number 29. The conflict between Lacunal and Barokha can best be interpreted as dash in the play The Lion and the Jewel. So the right answer is option C. A clash between modernity and tradition. Question number 30. The ending of The Lion and the Jewel ultimately suggests that. So the right answer is option B. Tradition can outwit. Question number 31. In The Lion and the Jewel, Siddhi's invented decision to marry Barokha suggests that traditional power structures remain dominant. Option C is right here. Question number 32. In The Lion and the Jewel, what makes Siddhi proud and arrogant? The correct answer is option C. Her beauty featured in the magazine. Question number 33. In The Lion and the Jewel, who is referred to as the lion? Barokha is correct answer. B option is right here. Question number 34. The title The Lion and the Jewel metaphorically represents. Option A is right here. Strength versus beauty. Question number 35. In The Lion and the Jewel, who informs Siddhi about Barokha's supposed weakness? So the correct answer is option B, Siddhiku. Question number 36. The title, the novel Things Fall Apart, is taken from a poem by W.B. Yeats. B option is correct. Question number 37. The title Things Fall Apart suggests. Option B is right here. Question number 38. What major change happens in Ameophia during Okono's exile? So the right answer of this question is option B. Christian missionaries arrive and convert many people. Question number 39. In Things Fall Apart, Okono is exiled because. D option is correct here. Question number 40. In Things Fall Apart, the killing of Ikwafuna primarily reveals. So the right answer is option C. Question number 41. In Things Fall Apart, the role of the missionary in the novel symbolizes the beginning of cultural and political disruption. B option is correct here. Ashby's portrayal of Igbo society before colonization primarily serves to. So the right answer is option B. Provide a balanced and complex depiction of indigenous life. Question number 43. The Igugua in Things Fall Apart symbolize. Option B is correct here. Question number 44. In Things Fall Apart, the district commissioner's perspective at the end highlights. So the right answer is option B. Question number 45. In Things Fall Apart, Okono suicide is significant because it D option is correct here. Question number 46. Which work is Fanon criticized in chapter 4 of Black Skin, White Mask? So the correct answer is option C. Question number 47. According to Fanon, how does colonization impact the psychology of the colonized? B option is correct. It creates inferiority complex and alienation. Question number 48. Franz Fanon uses the term dependency complex to describe psychological reliance on the colonizer. C option is correct here. Question number 49. Which theorist ideas does Franz Fanon challenge in chapter 4 of Black Skin, White Mask? So the right answer is option A. The last question of the paper is question 50. What conclusion does Fanon reach about the dependency complex? So the right answer of this question is option B. It is false theory that ignores the realities of colonization. I think this video is helpful for all of you students. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.